Why did you choose this trade?
Oh man, that's a long story, brother. Man, I was going to school one day, came home from church, and my apartment AC was down. Called my dad, and he said, "Check the capacitor." And I didn't have a capacitor on me, and come to find out, man, that's what it was. And so I was able to get it replaced and got cooling for me and my family in our apartment whenever the maintenance man couldn't get there.
That's awesome.
So I think ultimately, man, my love for the trade comes because of real life experience. And I want to make sure that people are happy inside their homes, especially with kids, older people. So, I mean, I think it comes from real life experience, man.